In this video we're going to show how to create a threaded bottle cap using the combine feature. Okay, so what we've got here is a rendered image of the threaded cap and the SolidWorks image of the same cap. What we're going to do is we're going to start this from a new drawing. So we start by opening a part, and on the top plane we will draw a circle, and we'll make that 38mm in size. This has to be extruded, so exit the sketch, go to your features, extrude, and we'll take it to a height of 24mm. Okay, that. I want to draw now in the bottom of this here to create the cylinder opening. So we'll go into the sketch on the bottom, draw a circle from the origin, and we'll make this a size of 32mm. And we want to cut that, so it's an exit the sketch and go into extrude cut, and we'll take that to a depth of 22mm. So we have the basic opening for the cap, just to show that it's taken out there. We'll change the view of it. Now what we will do is we'll do a fillet on the top edge, just round it off, and make the fillet 3mm. Pick the surface or the edge. Now what we have to do is we want to save this because we haven't got it saved as a part. So we'll put a name on it. We'll call it cap top. Now what we want to do is from the drawing that we've created earlier, the threaded top, we want to insert a part. So we go insert and part and go threaded top. We bring this in. When we bring this in, we want to make sure that the body is covering the threads, and we're going to be mating this as well too, so we have to be careful that we leave surfaces available to mate. So we go over here to locate part and mate settings. So I'm picking the top of the cap and at the top of the thread, and we're going to mate it to the inside of the top of the cap, and we add that. And then a second mate that we'll put to this here is the cylinder that's threaded, and we will match that to the inside cylinder of the extrude cut. And there we go, we have the two of these combined together, but we're not just quite finished yet. So we want to go to our features after you can see that the thread is sitting in there nicely in the cap. And we want to go to our features and go to combine, and you can see we can add and subtract and make common here, but we want to subtract the thread here, so we're going to pick the main body is what we have as the cap, and we want to subtract the thread out of it. So you can see it's coming up as fillet there for some particular reason, but it's still going to work. We pick the other other solid, which is our threaded top, and we OK that. You move around, you can see that we have our thread now to match the threaded top that we have from the other drawing, and we can take a look at that with all its detail. You can see there's quite a few plane references brought in there with the command itself, and we can render that whatever we want to. So picking a plastic solid here, and we're going to put it to the part so as it goes through everything. And render. can see it produces quite a satisfactory look of the bottle cap.